Okay, so hello guys. This is Coach Jean again. Sa video na ito ay ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano ka kung paano mo kung paano ka makapag-franchise ng ating travels and tours business sa Star Legends Adventure. Okay? So ngayon, dito tayo sa ah, andito na tayo sa ating social platform, no? Tinuro ko na sa inyo kung paano kayo gagawa ng iyong free account. Tinuro ko na sa inyo kung paano kayo gagawa ng iyong free account, no, sa ating social platform. So ngayon, kapag andito na kayo, tingnan niyo dito sa taas, no? Dito sa taas makikita niyo news feed, groups, courses, and franchise now, shop, and Fox. Okay, so meron pang option dito. Ayan, okay. So ngayon, kapag once na nakapag-decide ka na, no, na mag-franchise, no, sa ating travels and tours business. Okay, so punta ka lang dito sa social platform mo, mag-login ka lang, tapos dito sa taas, ang i-click mo dito is itong franchise now. Okay? Ito nakikita nyo ba ito? Franchise now. Okay. Ngayon, guys, advice ko lang na once na nag-registered kayo, tandaan nyo yung username nyo at saka yung password. Kasi bawat login nyo dito sa social platform natin ay yun lagi ang hihingiin sa'yo. Okay? So, tandaan nyo yung username at saka yung mm, password, okay? Kasi 'yun ang pinaka-importante. Okay, so anyway, so dito na tayo sa franchise now. I-click mo 'yan. Okay. So ngayon, andito na tayo sa ganito ang makikita mo, no? Kapag na-click mo na itong franchise now, makikita mo dito, own your home and online travel and tours business. Nabasahin mo 'yan. Okay? Discover how you can potentially earn up to 80K in just one day by just using your mobile phone or laptop and the internet in the travel industry. Okay? No qualification and no experience needed. Okay, take note ha. Okay, so ito yung good news. Okay, CEO surprise um, sale. Ayan, CEO surprise sale. Limited 24-hour promo now for only 4,990 pesos. Okay? So original price is 16,000 pesos. Okay? So ito ay limited offer only, no? Uh, all in one booking system. Okay? Uh, where you can save your on your personal travel or sell and profit from our worldwide services, no? On low-cost airline ticketing, domestic international, tour packages, hotel accommodations, visa assistance, ferries and bus transports, all network mobile e-loading business in the Philippines, travel insurance, and more. Okay? So dito, take note na no experience needed. Dahil ang ating company ay we provide step-by-step training online. Okay? May mga modules tayo na dapat nating tapusin. No? Mentoring, coaching, access to our exclusive group of vigorous and excellence leaders to help and guide you and customer support. Okay? So dito lang ito guys, dito lang to sa Star Legend Adventure, no, ito ang ating training, step by step training na talagang tuturuan ka kung paano mo gagawin ang iyong business, no? Okay, so meron din tayong affiliate program. Okay, which is access to earn unlimited commission from 1,500, 7,500, 50,000, up to 1 million pesos just by referring us to someone interested to do the business. Okay? Access to our incentives of cash prize bonuses and free travel. Okay? Be your own boss. Maximize the earning potential in this very competitive and rich industry. Be coachable as we are here to guide you all the way. Okay? Learn, discover, explore, succeed, and then way. Limited 24-hour promo. Now for only 4,990 pesos. Okay? Ngayon, if you are decided na mag-franchise, i-click mo itong red button. Nakikita mo to? Okay? I-click mo yan kung you are decided. Pero kung hindi pa talaga, duda ka pa, no? Basahin mo itong real result, no? No bluff, okay? Millionaire in 3 months of consistent action. No, ito si Coach Christine, no? Ayan, multiple six digits income monthly. Coach Lo De Leon, the maidpreneur in Hong Kong. So ayan, ito yung mga result no ng ating franchisee. Okay, so former OFW, now a full-time mompreneur. Ayan, dati siyang OFW. Ito naman full-time teacher in Japan, now a full-time business owner. No, siya si Coach Aya, okay? Full-time teacher siya sa Japan. Ito naman si full-time employee doing our business as her side hustle. Okay, guys. Kahit meron kang existing job or you are employee or you are OFW, pwede mo siyang gawin no as a uh, extra income, no? So siya si Coach Eugene, no? Yan. Okay. So ngayon, kung decided ka na, i-click mo naman itong franchise now. Ngayon, kung hindi pa talaga, maaari mong panoorin itong mga videos, no? Ito, hear from our real franchises affiliates. Okay? Yan. Panoorin mo yung video na yun. So dito, once na talagang decided ka na, i-click mo itong franchise now. Okay? Click natin. Okay, so dito makikita mo franchise now payment. Okay? Premium membership, special offer for 24 hours only. Okay, guys. Wag niyo nang palampasin itong opportunity na ito dahil minsan lang ito mag-promo. Okay? So, tingnan mo, original price is 16,000 and it's promo ngayon dahil promo siya ng 4,990, no? Dahil nga sa COVID-19 na nangyari ngayon, kaya yung CEO natin ay nag-surprise sale siya, okay? So now for only 4,990 pesos, okay? Take note guys, it's only for 24 hours, okay? Yan, claim it before price goes back to the original price for 16,000 pesos, okay? Access the unlimited opportunity to learn and earn any Star Legends adventures using our unique platforms, okay? Start your own online travel tours business with the one-stop shop portal. Plus, discover how you can earn in only ways through our unique platforms using automated tools and affiliations. Access both passive and active income even just by using your gadgets and internet. Access online mentoring and coaching to learn more skills and knowledge on how you can build a powerful business in this era. Okay? Now is the best time to learn more sources of income. Okay, now, dito sa baba, makikita mo yung billing details. Okay? Yung billing details dito. Ngayon, kapag andito ka na sa social platform natin, automatic na yung first name mo at saka yung last name mo. Ngayon, ditong company name, it's optional. Tapos yung country kung saan ka, street address, no? Sa akin, ilagay muna natin yung sa akin. Ngayon, yung phone number mo. Okay? Okay, yung phone number mo, no? Ilagay mo diyan kung nasa ibang bansa ka. Pwedeng yung meron kang kamag-anak ito sa Pilipinas or pwede ring yung number mo diyan, okay? Or kung mas mabuti kung dalawa ang number na ilagay mo diyan, no? Number mo sa Hong Kong or number mo sa ibang bansa kung OFW ka at number sa Pilipinas kung meron kang mga kamag-anak or meron kang roaming number. Okay, dito sa email address, automatic na rin yan nakalagay dyan. Yung email na ginamit mo nung nag-registered ka no, sa platform natin. Dito, additional information, order notes. Dito lang kung meron kang notes, meron kang message, ganun. Pero optional yan, guys. Okay, once na okay na, i-check mo ng mabuti. I-check mo ng mabuti yung iyong tawag ito, yung iyong info. At ngayon, i-check mo na itong add to order. Check mo yung add to order. Hintayin natin, naglo-loading siya. Okay. Ngayon, dito makikita mo sa baba. So, ayan yung order mo, di ba? 49990. Ngayon, makikita mo dito sa baba is mayroon na tayong Dragon Pay, no? Secure payments in the Philippines. Okay? So, dito, once na, kapag meron kang credit cards, i-click mo itong credit cards, no? Yan, kung meron kang card, meron kang credit card, debit card, pwede rin tong American Express. No, itong American Express, guys, is under GCash, no? Kung gusto mong matutunan kung paano ka magkakaroon ng American Express, no? Ituturo ko i-comment mo lang diyan sa baba at magkakaroon ako ng tutorial, okay? So sa ngayon, yan, kung meron kang debit card para mabilis, meron kang debit card or credit card, i-enter mo lang diyan, no? Ngayon, kung wala ka namang credit card, wala kang debit card, dito tayo sa Dragon Pay, no? Sa Dragon Pay, maraming options, guys, maraming options. Kapag okay na 'yan, okay na yung mga info mo, i-click mo na itong place order, okay? Place order. Click mo 'yan. Okay. So ngayon, thank you for your order. We are now redirecting to Dragon Pay site. Okay, guys. So ngayon, dito sa Dragon Pay, StarLegend Adventure Travel and Tours is requesting for 4,990. Okay, ngayon dito sa source, i-select mo lang itong select a payment option. Ngayon, kung halimbawa, i-select mo dyan kung saan mo gustong magpadala. Okay, dito online banking o e-wallet. Pag over the counter naman, dito pwede siyang Bangko de Oro, itong ganyan. Madami dyan, pipili ka lang dyan. Okay, dito sa over the counter naman sa baba, katulad ng mga Bayad Center, LBC, SM, Cebuana, Lulier, Palawan, ganun. So, pipili ka dito kung saan mo gustong ipadala. Halimbawa, sabihin natin na sa Palawan ka magpadala, okay? Or sa ngayon, dahil ngayon naka-lockdown tayo, or mas maganda kung online banking, no? So dito, BDO, halimbawa, sabihin natin sa BDO mo ipapadala. So i-click mo lang itong BDO, no? Tapos, ayan, i-click mo yung BDO. Ngayon, i-click mo itong I agree the terms and conditions. Ayan. Kapag kinlik mo yan, guys, tapos i-click mo itong select, mag-i-email sa'yo yung Dragon Pay, no? I-email sa'yo ng Dragon Pay yung i-click, try natin i-select. Ayan. Ito, kapag sinlik mo yon, ito ang sinasabi ng Dragon Pay, for your order reference number on, okay, click the button below to have the deposit instruction emailed to you for over-the-counter payments. You will need the link contained in the instruction to validate your payment. You may also view the instruction online, but save, print, bookmark, bookmark it for future references. Okay, dito ilagay mo yung email mo, no? Automatic na yung email mo dyan. Tapos, i-click mo itong send instruction via email or mobile. Okay? So, i-click mo yan. Kapag kinlik mo yan, magsisend sa'yo yung DragonPay ng instruction kung saan mo ipapadala yung pera, no? Okay, click natin. Okay. Ngayon, once na na-click mo na yun, okay na, sasabihin sa'yo, congratulations, congratulations on your purchase. Sorry guys, it's purchase. We have sent you an email explaining the next stage of your purchase process. Purchase na naman, purchase sabi. Yes. If you have purchased a member, huy, purchase nga sabi. Kulit. Pasensya na kayo guys, Bisayang dako. Membership package, please register to the SAT platform to enjoy your new goodies. To sign up to become a member on your registration from down below. It's free and you will find your next opportunity inside members. Just hit the login button below. Okay? So, i-login mo na yan. Okay. So, ngayon, back to login tayo. Ngayon, i-check mo yung iyong instruction, no? Doon sa iyong email. Ngayon, punta tayo sa aking email. So, guys, yung email dapat, yung active email nyo. Yung email na ginamit nyo sa pag-login nyo sa ating platform. Okay. So, itong email na to, hindi ito ang ginamit ko. Yung isa yung ginamit ko. So, kailangan kong mag-login. Wait lang natin. Okay guys, so dito makikita na natin kapag nag-login na kayo sa email nyo, ito ang makikita natin, di ba? Dragon Pay. So, payment instruction for transaction. Okay, dito